Alright, this is a tutorial on how to install, download, all that crap, set up Ventrilo. So, first things first, open up an internet browser. I'm going to open up a Mozilla Firefox because it's better. And you just go to Google. So when you're there, you just, Vent, type it in, short for Ventrilo. Click the download, because that's what we want. It'll take you to the download page. Just gotta say that or have it in there. And you download whichever version your operating system is. Normally it's 64-bit, whatever. You just click on one, bring it to this page, and of course you want to agree with that crap because everybody reads it. And you hit the save. When you save, it's gonna download it, but I'm not waiting for it, so we're gonna close that. And I don't need that anymore. It'll be on your desktop right there. Look at that. Double click it. Run. It'll bring you to this page. Of course, we don't read that ever. Yes, I agree with whatever you say, because nobody reads that. Type in your name. My name is Chuck. Oh, that's fine. Fuck that. My name's Chris. Yeah, I'll put as Chris. You don't have a company name. And if you have more than one user, you want that. I only have one, so whatever. This is the file it's going to go to. Browse, change it to next. And of course, it just wants to make sure you want to get done. Hit the next. It starts installing. So as we're waiting, make sure you have all the IP information, port numbers, and password for the Ventrilo server while we're waiting. Anyways, hit the finish button. It comes up with this little icon right there. Double click that shit. It's going to give you this window. Oh, look at that! I already have my shit. I didn't have that shit anymore. Anyways, it's going to give you your channel. Okay, then first things first, you want to go ahead and do this. Create a new file. I'm going to name mine test. Do whatever you want. Hit OK. If you whatever you type in here, like I hate you, and you hit that, it'll play that. But every time you join in a channel or whatever, it gives it to you. I don't care. Hit OK, and then just blank profile. You hit this arrow. This is your servers. And there's the arrow. You just hit the new button, type in the server name. I'm gonna name mine test. And when you get there, just type in the IP address. Normally, it's gonna be like this is a default, but it'll have like that kind of crap going. Whatever ports, whatever they tell you from like your guild. Normally, some have a default, some don't. So that way, there's less hacking or whatever. Passwords, whatever they tell you. Leave this crap checked. Hit OK. Well, I'm not going to hit OK. I'm going to type in some numbers and then hit OK. You got to set up. This is where everything happens. First off, push to talk. First, you're going to have it like this. It's going to set at 60. 80 if you want to use it. I mean 8 if you want to use it. That is the perfect number. But I don't normally use push to talk, and you normally want to have it as an alt. Normally have it as my left alt. When you have it on your left alt, you hit the button, it talks. You blah 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 blah. All that crap. Every time you hit Alt, it does that. Whenever you let go, it says End. Alright, and then for this is going to be output, which I like to use direct sound. You don't have to. And you just, normally, if you use a headset, they're both going to be the headset. Input is whatever you're going to talk through, which is normally the headset. Microphone. Could have a desktop one, I don't know. And this is where it's going to come out. And on you, either headset, desktop. Normally it's headsets, nobody can hear you. If you're all alone in your basement, grandma, mom, whatever won't bother you, or grandfather for some of you. Anyways, outbound is how loud you're gonna be. And of course, this is when you click on it, it's gonna come out. It's just telling you about the mixing. It doesn't matter. This makes you really quiet. This makes you really loud. 0 makes you sound whatever your computer says. And then this is how loud they're going to be when they talk to you. This is how quiet they're going to be. Normally it's in 0 for whatever your speakers say. Whenever it looks something like this, whatever you have in there, you hit OK. So bring you to this screen. Now, I have all this crap in because this is my normal setup, but whenever you have that ready, it's going to say server is available. When server is available, read it. It says press connect. Press it. Bam! You're now in a channel. You can talk to anybody by hitting the left alt, or whatever you have it binded to. And that is how you set up and use Ventrilo.